Hi, my name is Miroslav Stiburek. I'm from the Czech Republic and I've been living here in Barcelona for about 8 years. So I work as a fine artist, an industrial designer and a marketing specialist, where I work with manufacturers to design new casings, for example, for their new product. And I also do marketing, where I help companies and freelancers kind of gain visibility online. The product design process is quite simple. So you make an idea, you conceptualize it, you put it down on paper, then you 3D model it, and then you prototype it. And then there is, of course, the art, where I get to ventilate my emotions in a very free way. I make canvas paintings, basically. They're mostly of abstract nature. I use a lot of colors, but as well as symbolism. I really like symbolism. I kind of find symbolism in everything that happens, that it creates like emotion, like an emotional response, like aesthetic response, but also like a thought-provoking response. Barcelona inspires me a lot in my art. Artists like Joan Miró, it also influenced me a lot. What's been built here, like the artworks here, but also the movement and the always changing vibe, and that the fact that there is a sea and also big forests and natural parks. I think Barcelona for me, it's a great place to live, and like where you live, like it affects you a lot, it affects your professional life. It has made me feel like free. I felt a lot of freedom to explore and to risk, like in my work overall. I had built like my work around my passions. So I'm really doing what I want. Like this was my dream, kind of to do what I want like in my professional life.